What if one of the greatest stories from Hindu mythology was actually an example of a distributed system? The story of Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean, is often seen as a battle between Devas and Asuras to obtain Amrit, the nectar of immortality. But when you look at it from a technology perspective, this entire process resembles how modern microservices architectures work in distributed systems. Mythology, both Devas and Asuras needed Amrit to gain strength and immortality. However, Amrit was hidden deep within the ocean of milk. To retrieve it, they decided to work together and churn the ocean using Mount Mandara as the churning rod and Vasuki, the Serpent King, as the rope. The process was complex and required coordination between multiple entities working simultaneously toward a common goal. In modern distributed systems, this resembles multiple independent services working together to process data and generate an output. Here, the Devas and Asuras can be seen as independent microservices. Each has its own role, responsibility, and processing capability. Mount Mandara acts like a central processing unit that enables the entire operation. Vasuki functions as the communication layer, or API, that connects these independent services and allows them to exchange data. Without this communication layer, coordination between services would not be possible. During the churning process, several unexpected elements emerged from the ocean. One of them was the deadly poison known as halahala. This represents system errors or failures that occur in distributed architectures. In real-world systems, failures are inevitable, and handling them effectively is crucial for system stability. Just as Lord Shiva intervened to contain the poison and prevent system-wide collapse, modern systems use error handling mechanisms and fallback strategies to maintain performance and prevent crashes. Eventually, after continuous effort and coordination, the Amrit emerged from the ocean. This can be compared to the final output generated by a distributed system after successful processing. The entire process of Samudra Manthan reflects how complex systems rely on collaboration, communication, and resilience to achieve their goals. So, the next time you study microservices architecture, remember the ancient story of Samudra Manthan, a timeless example of distributed system design.